Spring is nearly here, and that means opening up the windows, letting in the sunshine, and getting things out. I believe the expression is spring cleaning, and we're here to help you with that. While we all know how to wipe down surfaces, cleaning floors isn't always as clear-cut. So we've got 4 tips today on how to make the most out of getting your floors ready for the spring. Hi, my name is Vinny Verga Jr., and I'm here with Floors Uncovered. Before we jump into it, remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel below for even more great content each and every week. Let's start with the most common type of floor in the United States, carpet. Stains can be the terror of lighter carpet colors. There's actually a trick that can help you remove those stain marks. If you've seen our video on getting candle wax out of carpet, then you know what I'm talking about. Irons can be a great way for lifting stain out of carpet fibers. Spray the area with a pre-mist carpet spray, lay a towel over it, and move the iron across the area on the towel, not the carpet itself. It may take a while to completely lift the stains out of the material, so repeat steps 1 through 3 as needed. And be very careful not to touch the iron to the carpet fiber itself. You will singe and burn it, and that will not get the stain out. It will create a very different problem for you. In your kitchen or bathroom, or anywhere where you have tile, you might notice that the grout sometimes discolors and gets dirty. But we have a few tips for cleaning that for you. Grout should be resealed each and every year in order to ensure that it performs as well as possible and resists moisture coming into it. And in fact, during that process, you can even recolor grout, whether that's reapplying the same color to bring it out or putting a new color on. That's up to you. But as a part of the resealing process, that's something that you can do. The winter is a tough time of year for everyone, and it can be particularly tough for your hard surface floors. Hardwood, in particular, doesn't like the cold. It can contract, and also sand and salt on your feet that is used for treating for ice can be dragged over and potentially scrape the surface of the hardwood floor, which in turn can lead to some imperfections in the surface. With hardwood, you can always sand and refinish your floors. This is typically done anywhere between 10 to 15 years on an average hardwood floor. So if your floor is looking old or you want to update it with a new color, you can sand and refinish it and put a new stain on it. If it's a vinyl plank product and it's a glue down, you can actually pop the board up and put a new board in place. And if it's a click lock floor, this isn't as easy to do, but it is possible depending on where in the room it is. Another solution is you can always shift where your furniture is in the room. I know it sounds crazy, but if you rearrange furniture, it can give a room a new look and potentially hide any boards that are not doing so well, that are hard to replace. The last tip is in regards to your carpet. And as we've said multiple times on this channel, professionally, you should have your carpets cleaned at least once every 12 months. More than just keeping your floor looking fresh, carpet cleaning is a part of most manufacturer warranties, which will not be backed if a professional doesn't clean it once a year. Spring is the perfect time of year to get this done. You've just had the winter and you've tracked all kinds of things on your carpets, so maybe schedule a regular cleaning for those when you get ready to do your spring cleaning. Hopefully these 4 spring cleaning tips help you with your spring cleaning. Have any other cleaning needs? We'd like to know so we can make another video. Comment below and let us know what you're having a hard time with in your home.